Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change Etsy email address. Okay, so let's open Etsy application on the device and go to profile picture in the top right corner of your screen, and then you want to enter settings and find a line that says want to fine-tune your account settings and visit this link that Etsy application provides me. And now at the section that says account, you want to scroll down until you see section with your emails. And now in order to change your email, you want to enter your new email address that you want to set up, then confirm it by re-enter it once again, and then of course enter your Etsy password. And when everything looks fine and you are ready to submit all the changes, you have to press change email button. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.